Alright, part 2 of our On Your Own geometric terms and definitions, number 1. So we had 3 angles. We missed one. Here's our endpoint, G. So RGC is also an angle, so we have to select that one. Checking it, sir. And that is correct. Last one. I'll have to be faster next time to fit all these on one recording since it only goes for 15 minutes. What is another way to name angle ABC? Select each one. So we know the endpoint is B, so this could also be called angle B. Okay, or you could rearrange the order so it could be CBA. So as long as that B is in the middle, and let's check, those are correct. And that is your practice for 102, Basic Geometric Terms and Definitions, number 1.